Well, hello there, and welcome, my friends, to Belgium. And today we're going to cross the border to France, which is an even bigger French-speaking country than Belgium. And yeah, you know, border crossing video and stuff. So let's do it. So we're here, close to the border, as it seems. Close to a town called Lille on the French side, and there are some windmills on the right side. And what else is there? A car in the front. But none of that is of any importance, since this is a border crossing video and I'm just talking so you've something to listen to, you know? So yeah, Air de Le Mans or something like that seems to be a place on which you can rest before you go to France. And yeah, but we don't need to rest before we go to France. We just go to France, you know, because that's where we're going. And yeah, that's just how it is. And yeah, the border should appear in front of us any moment now. Let's see, maybe Air de Le Mans already is on the French side. Who knows? I don't, because I've never been here. I mean, I've been to France, but I've never been here, you know, in this northern part of France. I mean, this isn't even France yet, it's Belgium, but you know what I mean, right? So, let's see, what else do we have here? We have a woman going to France. Enjoy. And yeah. Oh, and in front of us there seems to be the sign that tells us that we're entering France already. So as you can see, we're about to enter France in 2 seconds or so. And France. That's it. That's it. And as you can see, the buildings look French already. And what else do we have here? We have this sign that tells us how fast we can go in France and stuff, right? Is it telling us that? Yeah, France, 15 towns, 90 out of towns, and 130 on, you know, on highways. Département du Mans, the Nord, or something like that. I'm sorry for butchering your language, rappel. Whatever that means, something like remember. Or I don't know what else it could mean. So whatever. What's that? Paris? Oh yeah, we had like what? Olympic Games in Paris. And when we look out of this side of the window, we can see France. And it's totally not looking like Belgium. And now our view is blocked. So this sucks. So now we can't see anything. So thank you, France. Merci beaucoup. Région de France. Yeah, that's exactly how you pronounce it, I know. Okay, so that was the border crossing video. As you were able to see, British guy, the border was really visible and really protected and stuff. And here we have Paris and Cologne and Lille and yeah, so that was the border crossing video to France. See you in the next border crossing video from France to wherever we might go. Yo. Bye bye.